Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Coming up today, we're going to show you how to make the Starbucks Toffeenut iced coffee at home. Whether it's hot or cold, this is a good recipe. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Awesome Keurig recipes. So today's recipe, as stated in the intro, we're going to do a Starbucks Toffeenut coffee, iced coffee. You can do it hot or cold. As I always tell you on the channel, whatever your preference is, we're just bringing you the recipes that we think you might like. But first guys, why don't you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so when we do these videos, you can be alerted when we do the new recipes. So as you can see, we have the Starbucks Toffeenut K-Cups, and then we have the Butter Toffee Skinny Girl 0 sugar, 0 calorie flavoring syrup, and then we also have the Toffeenut creamer. So you see where this going. I have the trusty Starbucks tumbler. So we're gonna go ahead and start the recipe, get straight to it. So first you wanna go ahead and pop in your K-Cup and set it to about 8 ounces for this one. Okay, so once you set it to 8 ounces, you want to brew it on strong because you want to make sure you get all the toffee flavoring from the Starbucks K-Cups. They're good with having flavored K-Cups for having strong coffee, so that's a good thing. So go ahead and brew it on 8 ounces on strong. So as we get ready to brew, what we're going to do is, as it's brewing on the 8 ounces, we're going to go ahead and pour the buttered toffee in with it. It seems to mix better as it's hot and blend it in. You could put it in there first, but just I found this way that it's kind of blending evenly. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we poured the butter toffee flavoring syrup as it was brewing with the K-Cups. Don't have to pour a whole lot, but just enough just to, so that way it's just not sitting at the bottom. If you do it when it's brewing, kind of evenly distributes the syrup, prevents you from having to stir it as much. But as you can see, it's still brewing, and you can definitely smell it. If you're a fan of the Toffeenut, you know, it's definitely a good flavor. So now we want to go ahead and start putting in the creamer. So we're going to do that next. So as you can see, as we put in the creamer and it's mixing with the flavoring syrup and the coffee, it's almost looking like a macchiato almost. See how it's, see the cream went straight to the bottom and the rest of the coffee is going to the top. So now that you see it like that, what you want to do is you can either start to stir slowly, or if you have the tumbler top like I do, you can go ahead and put that on and then give it a good stir, shake, whatever tumbler that you're using. Okay, and we're done. So as you can see, you put your ice in there. You can let it cool off if you want. Some people like to put it straight in with the ice, but I would recommend, if you're going to do the iced coffee, let it cool or chill it a little bit so the ice won't melt, and water it down a little bit. If you like it hot, it's definitely a good recipe hot. So thanks guys, the channel is starting to grow. Appreciate your support. Definitely check out the links below so you can find out. You can order this from Amazon and order it from any other place, because some of these K-Cups are limited to a certain time of season. So I put some links in the description below for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.